Yo, what's happening, guys? It's your boy Laddie HD, and welcome to another video. And in this video, first I'd like to say is thank you very much for 1,400 subscribers. Without you guys, none of this would actually be possible. So I really appreciate you guys for that. And like I promised, I'm going to be doing a setup tour. Finally going to be doing a setup tour for you guys. And hope you guys enjoyed the setup tour. And also make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be doing the giveaway as well, so stick around to the end of the video. It's going to be just wait, you see. All right, without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see, I've got a 3-pin monitor setup being powered by my PC, which is an RTX 2080 Super build with a keyboard, mouse, 2 cameras, ring light, microphone, 2 headsets, routers, and an Xbox One X console. The prices of everything you see will be at the end of the video. This entire setup took me about 2 years to get to this point, and I did buy most of these things over time. Moving on, we've got the first monitor, which is my main monitor for gaming because it's a 144Hz monitor from Element Gaming. It's not a popular brand, but it gets the job done really well. I've been able to overclock the monitor to 180Hz, but didn't use it for an extended period of time because I was afraid it could damage it. It has a 2-millisecond response time and it's a VA panel. I did bring it over from the UK as I fear things would be overpriced in Nigeria as they are. Next in my desk is my phone, AirPods, wallet, car keys, and a secondary mouse for my BiPower, which I used to play mouse and keyboard on my console. It came with the PC. Then we've got my favorite part of the setup, which is my 50-inch smart 4K Ultra HD LED TV from Brum. It's a German company, which I got from Jumia. I use this to watch 4K videos on Netflix, play some games in 4K. It works perfectly with my Xbox as it's also a 4K gaming console. I can just chill from my bed and control my wireless mouse and keyboard and game comfortably. And sometimes I have family over in my room watching Netflix or playing Minecraft and Roblox. Moving on, we've got my least favorite monitor from Lenovo. I use this for OBS and to read my chat while I'm live streaming or just multitasking. I have every intention to upgrade it as I got to use that Computer Village, and it's really not my favorite. Then we've got the PC powering this entire setup, and the specs are as follows. It's a custom build from iBuyPower, and it's got an RTX 2080 Super GPU with a Core i7 9700K CPU, 16GB of RAM, 1TB hard drive, 500GB SSD. Big shout out to my team Lion Sports for getting me this PC. Drop a follow on their socials on the screen below on screen, and as they are working on big things for esports and gaming in Nigeria in the future. Next, we have my primary gaming headset, the HP Omen headset. It's definitely one of my cheaper headsets, but definitely my favorite gaming headset compared to my Steel Series headset. I personally feel Steel Series, although look stylish, are very overpriced. The Omen headset is just more comfortable and allows me to game for longer periods and sounds better. Moving on, we have the microphone that I'm currently using to do this voiceover from Fine. The microphone cost me about £50, and the sound quality is almost studio-like. Comes with a volume dial to increase or decrease the volume or completely mute the mic, and that also added a noise filter as well. Next up, we have my Logitech G502 gaming mouse. It comes with 11 programmable buttons, and the button you guys asked about a lot on stream, my edit button, which I programmed to M, is on the side of the mouse. I've used this mouse for over 2 years now, and it still works fine. The mouse mat underneath is the HyperX mouse mat. My keyboard is a Technic mechanical gaming keyboard, and it's a really good keyboard considering how cheap it is with blue Cherry MX switches. Next, on top of my monitor is my secondary webcam that I use when my main camera battery dies. The quality isn't really good and it has its own inbuilt mic. I don't really like it that well, but it does the job. Now we have another favorite that I recently acquired, and it's my LG soundbar with subwoofer. The sound quality from this is just absolutely amazing. I got it used for a really decent price. I absolutely love it for gaming and watching movies and anime. The sound is just amazing. The camera I use in recording is also another very expensive buy, and it's the Sony a6400 4K camera. The video quality this camera puts out is astonishing, as you guys can see, and not something everyone needs to own unless you really want to go into videography or be like a professional YouTuber. We also have my Xbox One X, which I got used at Computer Village, and not much to say about it. It's an Xbox, it's just for casual gaming, FIFA, and just chilling really. Finally, I have mentioned this on stream, I am a software engineer, specifically a mobile app developer, and I use my MacBook Pro for coding. I'm now going to list all the prices of all the equipment and names to give you an idea if you'd like to build something similar. The total sums up to about 1.9 million Naira or $4,800, and like I said earlier, this took me about 3 years to get to this point, not one day. Plus some of my equipment have trackers in case of theft, and I do live in a very secure part of Lagos. You guys, I hope you enjoyed that setup tour, and if you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos. As I said before, the giveaway I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing right here on the screen. It is an Apple Music 1 month free subscription code. I've got 2 codes on the screen right now, so if I can get to use it fast. It only works for people, for Apple users in Nigeria, by the way, so sorry about that. It works for Apple users in Nigeria. The first 2 to use this code gets it, okay? Alright. And another thing I'm also going to be doing is a 10,000 Naira, which is also a £20 giveaway on stream. So make sure you tune into my next stream. So subscribe and turn on post notifications if you don't want to miss that. My next stream is probably going to be tomorrow or later today. So yeah, turn on post notifications and stay tuned for that. It's gonna be, you know, I'm going to surprise you guys. So I don't want anyone to be prepared for it. So all right, without further ado, thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.